Hi, it's me. Hello. It's me again. Of course it's me.
I'm YouTube famous now.
I just had to. Peter MONN. I love you. Well, guys, so I thought I never bought any cacti from this website, but I did. SuccSeed. And I thought I only bought some seeds, which I did. So next year. Anyway, so what I got is. So this is what I got. This is number 1. And then I got number 2. Yes, it's a pretty one. And then I got something I already have, and I thought that was seeds. And it's this one. I don't know about the condition because I really don't know. It's kind of black. Of course I will plant it and see, but this one looks so much different, and my own, which I have here, this one is mine, and it's much more beautiful. So I don't know, this one is, I don't know, guys, I don't know what to do with it. Woof! Hey, beautiful. So anyway, I will give it a try and pop these beauties and see what's happening. So yeah, I will use my little bit bigger pot. These beauties in, because they cannot make oh, I'm not showing you anything. Wait. So now I think it's better. So we will see how this will do. So it's quite loose, it's good. Shake it, bake it. So this will go in the quarantine department. So I will see if there is any pests. I hope not. This one is so tiny and so cute. Oh no! It's dirty now. Oh, these are so tiny. So SuccSeed overall, it's really good. based in Sweden. Everything came quite quick without any problems. And I actually thought that I really only bought seeds. But apparently I didn't. So this one is also ready. Ready, steady, go! Let's try this one. This one is nice with the paper spines, so you can hold it like you pull it. So, I really don't know this black stuff on it. I don't know what it is. I don't like it. So this one will definitely be in quarantine. If you know what it is, this black stuff, let me know. So what I will do is simply try to read. This is Astrophytum asteria. It's number 16. And I will put some pictures from Google. And we have number 8696 is Astrophytum Myrostigma columnare mix something. I will try to find and put a picture with it. And we have 8705 is Astrophytum coahuilense lerdo durango mix SB 1474. Have no idea what that means. So this is it. 8260 is Astrophytum caput Medusae PP 1569. Maybe it's some mutation name. El Herrero Tamaulipas, Mexico. So that will be cool. 8922, what's that? Trocactus alexandrei, subspecies Brucii. So I will try, it's from the same family. Let me see. Another one. 8923. Tetrocactus articulatus syringocanthus. Herregud. Lord. Not bad. We will see. This I don't know if I will put seeds now or later. And then before 21. What? Testudianaria elephantines discorea. Ow. I butchered this name. But this is this elephant food, this bulbous plant who then shoots once a year and then looks like actually turtle, I would say. Well, hello, it's me. So this is it. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know, should I make seeds now and start early at home, and then they have beautiful summer before them next year, or should I start from spring next year? I don't know, let me know. You know, I have my house with lights and stuff, and then of course home is really warm, so that will not be a problem. I already have some seedlings, so why not? Let me know in the comments below, and I see you in my next video. Bye!